Yep, gotta move shit in the queue because I haven't made a type of video like this in like, I don't know how long. It's like forever. Forever. Oh, hello. Hey guys, the main reason why I haven't made a video in such a little while, it's because of what is going on here. Yeah, I have completed some hard drive hoarding from um, a 4 terabyte hard drive, which I am currently doing a test right now, to moving shit from an SD card to a to another hard drive. Yeah. So, yeah, this is why today's video is has taken me so long to pretty much um to make. So, yeah, I'm so sorry about that, guys. So, yeah, that's pretty much it there. Well, we got ourselves a clicker. I knew these types of hard drives aren't reliable. I mean, just look at this type of hard drive, man. Seagate. Gee, like, oh, it just randomly stops clicking. Oh no, this has bad disk. All right, what? I can't run a Surface test. All right, let's take it up to Disk Genius. Yeah, I may need to reconnect this. Hold up. Yeah, it's gotta click again. So, yeah, there is no way how I can probably recover this unless if I actually crack it open. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to see it happen, because holy crap, this hard disk is dying, and you can hear it too. And this is how you would know a hard drive is dying. You can hear the clicks. Well, eventually it'll stop for some time, and then if you look at it on your computer, it shows that it's a failing drive. And of course, even if you can try and test it, there is absolutely zero way how you can recover it out of 503 sectors. Jeez Louise. And compared to another hard drive I have that I am currently not using, so far it's a good enough drive, and that is my Xbox hard drive that I currently use, or I used to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it there, which I'm going to go ahead and let it go over the check here, and yeah, and that'll be it out of that point forward. So, alright. Like I said, if you guys want me to attempt the repair on that 500 gigabyte hard drive, let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it for you for the short video. Also, look what time it is now. I mean, I woke up just like around an hour ago. So, yeah. Oh, yes. Now we're cooking. We're cooking with gas, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that is honestly better than 2 megabytes per second read. Oh, perfect. If you go any higher, I will be even more happy. But anywho, oh yeah, what I showed you guys earlier is this hard drive right here. You can hardly just see under the lighting here. However, I have did some things last night. It actually almost killed me. Yes, I'm being serious. There's a pocket knife that my parents given me, and I used that knife to cut open a shell of a hard drive. I was so nervous I had to wear wear a protection. Like I said, I am being dead serious here. Okay, I mean I'm not even trying to scare anyone. I am just telling you guys I was nervous. Though I have finally did it. I'm actually using that same Xbox hard drive as a good matter of fact, but I am going to find the shell I've used. Next of all, I need some light to actually show you guys. Whoop. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna check it. I decided last night it is about time I'm gonna take this shell off. So I did. And you may never guess what was inside. A generic 250 gigabyte mechanical hard drive made by Seagate. How cool is that? Well, it's kind of like this drive, but I think it's like labeled like something else. I think I'll actually show you if I don't interrupt its data I'm processing. I'm gonna make this quick because this light's on. Alright. Actually, let me pause the oh, damn it, it went down again, motherfucker. Anywho, this is what it looks like. Yeah. Okay, lights out. Fuck. Had a 3-hour calculation jump. Alright. Just like my 1-inch instructor told me, keep your chin up. Miracles do indeed tend to happen, so yeah. Well, this is the end of this video here. I am recording this on the 1st of December, so I really don't know when I'm going to upload it, so yeah. you guys would see the day I uploaded this under the under the video's title and description. So, hey guys, hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. What? Oh shit! Like the Drago 1 reference right here.